Okay, so I'm recording it. I will upload it in my YouTube, and then you can subscribe on it. Okay, so here what I'm doing is that I will try to show you different types of scanning using Nmap. So first thing is that we'll use our terminal, and then if you know the IP address, we already know, not a problem. But if you do not know the IP address, how can I find out the IP address in the same network? By writing. Let me make it as sudo net discover -r and 192.168.64.1/64. When I'm saying 1, that means I'm trying to get all the ports whatever available. And then I will press enter. It will show me all the IPs which is available. And I know that this is my IP address for the Metasploitable2, which is already up and running, which I already know because this is in controlled environment. I will open another tab. I will try to open Wireshark, right? Wireshark. I will open this one. When I'm using Wireshark, you will find out it will provide you different options here to use as your card, okay, like network card here. If you wait for a while, it will give you this ECG line, and that shows that this is the network which is working. This is the card which is working. So I will click on Etho and press on start here, blue one, and I will wait. Yeah. Let this Wireshark run, not a problem, because we are not sending any packets. I will open a new terminal and then start using Nmap, and Nmap, and then this is the command Nmap small s capital S -p, and I'm looking for 445 port in our target IP. First thing I showed was ST, isn't it, for TCP? So I will use that T here, and P for port 445, and then the IP address. If I press enter, I should have some packet here. I will stop the packet so that it's not overwhelming. I will stop this one, and now what I'm doing is I'm filtering these filtering Wireshark packets by IP address and port. How do I filter that one? What was the command for IP? IP.addr =sign 192.168.64, isn't it? 64.4, and I will say end, and port. It will provide you some suggestion as well. So because it is TCP, I will write TCP, and can you see some suggestions? -port, okay, port == 445. I press enter. 445, isn't it? We are looking for 445. So if so can you see this one here now? In this Wireshark, you can see that the first thing from my IP address, which is 64.3, I'm sending a packet to 64.4 as a TCP protocol, and then the port is 445, and I have sent a sync packet. Okay. Then the server 64.4 is sending me back with sync plus an acknowledgement, and then on the second line, second packet, you will see that I am sending to the server acknowledgement saying that I have received your response, and then I'm responding with a reset packet again to finish the communication, and so this gives you the whole three-way handshake in a visual representation. Okay. Your task is to do the same thing. Turn on your Wireshark again, and you will be doing the same thing but on a different Nmap scan. So the other one I have shown was stealth scan. in stealth scan it doesn't complete the whole three-way handshake. It just only finishes halfway through. I click enter. It, because my filtration were already there, this is why it just picked up only those packets. It doesn't pick up any other packet because filtration was there.
You don't have to refresh the filter.
No, because it's already there, isn't it? Yeah. Same thing, you can see sync packet is here on the first packet, second one sync acknowledgement, but it didn't finish it saying that I'm acknowledging to complete it. It straight away finishes it, just reset it. Okay. So I